Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to get and play Rocket League through Steam in 2025, even though it is no longer officially available on the Steam store. So stick around till the end to learn the safest and the legit ways to play it on your Steam account. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So the option one that we have here is if you already owned the Rocket League game on Steam. So if you have purchased Rocket League on Steam before it was removed in 2020, it's still in your library. In order to access it, you need to open your Steam powered launcher and here click on the library option. So if you previously owned a Rocket League, it will come over here in this list. So you can just simply download it and play it anytime and it will keep updating like normal. If a friend or a family member owns Rocket League on their account, Steam account, they can share their library with your using Steam family sharing. So once they approve the access, you will see Rocket League in your own library, but keep in mind only one of you can play it at a time. So this is the option 2 of accessing Steam family with the help of Steam family sharing. Next we have the option of adding Epic version to Steam. So since Rocket League is now free on Epic Game Store, you can install it from there. So you need to open Steam and here you need to go to your games. In your games, you need to add a non-Steam game to your library and browse to the Rocket League's launcher and add it. So this way you can launch it from Steam and even use the Steam overlay while playing. There is no official way to buy Rocket League in 2025 on Steam unless you already have it. So avoid any third party sellers, and most of the keys are either overpriced or invalid. So do not do that. Always try the legal and the legit methods that I have given you in this video. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.